afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Can you please introduce yourself to the jury?
Yes, my name is Sara Newhouse, and I am currently the Behavioral Wellness Coordinator for the Police Department. Back in 2014, I was the victim advocate.
You're a victim advocate for the Tallahassee Police Department?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And in your role as a victim advocate, what does that entail when you work for the police department?
Typically, it's following up with victims that are victims of crime, usually persons crimes, homicides, suicides, sexual batteries, domestic violence, things of that nature. And it's providing support, kind of being a middle person between them and the police investigation team.
And in that role as a victim advocate, were you working on July 18th of 2014?
Yes, I was.
Okay. Did you have occasion to get assigned to be the victim advocate for Wendy Adelson?
Yes, I did.
And were you present for the vast majority of her interview with law enforcement?
I was.
Were you also present when Wendy Adelson called her mother, Donna Adelson, towards the end of that interview?
I was.
And did you have an opportunity to listen to the portion of the interview where Wendy Adelson called her mother?
I did.
And I'm going to show you what is marked for identification purposes as Defense 71. Did you have an opportunity to listen to this exhibit?
I did.
Okay, and is the portion of the recording true and accurate reflection of what you remember from July 18th of 2014 when Wendy Adelson called her mother?
It is.
Okay. When Wendy Adelson called her mother, do you recall Donna Adelson's reaction to being told that Dan Markel had been shot?
Yes.
Okay. Did this upset her?
She sounded shocked, I guess would be the word that you'd say.
And it appeared that this was the first time she was hearing about it?
Yes.
And did she make any statements that you could hear from where you were sitting?
I don't recall if I could hear other than reviewing the video, but it sounded like a normal amount of upset given a crisis situation.
Your Honor, at this point in time, I'd move into evidence Defense 71.
Any objection?
Judge, I haven't reviewed this exact item, but based on what the defense has represented to me is on there, I don't have an objection. I do want to review it on the break and reserve the right to object. So subject to that, objection.
A lot of qualifications.
Well, there's just...
Members of the jury, we're going to take a brief break. The bail will take it to the jury room. Everyone can be seated. Defense 71 is admitted at this time. You may continue with your examination.
I have no further questions for this witness, Your Honor.
Cross-examination.
Did you hear any weeping or wailing going on at the other end of the phone during this phone call?
Not that I recall, no.
Did you know Donna Adelson?
No.
Have you ever met her?
No.
So you don't know what her normal demeanor is like?
Correct, I don't.
Okay. But Wendy Adelson, her daughter, presumably does know.
Correct.
And do you remember Wendy Adelson making the comment after that phone call that she handled that well?
Objection, Your Honor. That's hearsay. That's exactly what was asked to be removed from the recording.
Please sit down. As to the hearsay, sustained.
No further questions.
Redirect.
Your Honor, we'll just strike the question from Ms. Kappelman.
Members of the jury, you are to disregard the last question of the prosecutor is to be struck from the record. You may step down.